Alright guys, this video is going to be very important for people in case you own the Galaxy Note 9. I'll tell you how. So what happened with my Galaxy Note 9? So you guys know that now from a couple of months before, I also started showing you durability tests of all the smartphones, whether it's a budget phone, flagship phones. I'm just trying to show you durability tests. So you guys can see these are Cydia devices and a couple of them are failed brutally here, so like the Moto E5 Plus and the Pocophone F1. You guys remember recently I showed you that was one of the I can't say about that thing. I have dozens of comment. People are still commenting me every day like my phone got cracked in a similar way you dropped it. So really there is a lot of cost compromise. So in between filming this part 1 accessory video, I brought two cases from the two different companies. Spigen, two cases were there because at that time there were only two brand cases available which are showing you as a drop proof cases. So this case actually wasn't there in the India, so actually I brought it from the United States, so it just came today, just half an hour before. So the Spigen case I tried, two cases were there I guess, so they were fine. We all know that Spigen cases, I dropped it, and Galaxy Note 9 were great. But next case I tried for the company Unicase and the brand was Unicorn case. So I'll have the link of all the 5 cases that I tried earlier. So my Galaxy Note 9 screen got cracked with that Unicorn case on it. So they claim to be as MI10G. I don't know whom to blame. Maybe that case supports MI10G, but somehow in my case my phone Galaxy Note 9 display got cracked. So it was very unfortunate. I need to spend 21k Indian currency to get my display repaired and my phone is cracked. So if you want to make your phone safe, try the Rinky cases I have shown you in the past. All the phones that I tried, Galaxy S9 Plus recently, S8, OnePlus 6, 5T, 5. There, I will put all the video in the link in the description. You guys can go and just verify that. Alright. So these are the cases. I just unboxed them, and one I have with me is for the OnePlus 6 also. And I have shown you in the past for the OnePlus 6. In case you're looking for the OnePlus 6 case, ring case, this is one of the best looking case you can try out. I have a skin applied here, so just quickly going to remove that skin. So because this is a glass, so use some kind of protection whatever you can. Alright, let's start with this case. This is the first case that we are going to try, and this one I don't know, this time they haven't written the name, and you can see there is a MIL8NG drop tested case. So if it is written, that means this phone is completely drop proof. You can count on it and you can try it. I have already tried a lot of times in the past. So, and they should work with the tempered glass in case you own the Galaxy Note 9. So you guys can take a look on this tempered glass that I'm currently using here. As you can see, perfectly fine. That's they have a proper protection. You drop it, you throw it, your phone should work fine. You don't need to worry about those things. So but yeah, this device is really very heavy, and it is going to add a little bit of more weight to it. So next case we should try. This is the one of the oldest I guess this is Ring Onyx case. This is very lightweight. This one is very heavy, but this one is very lightweight. So it is sleek case, doesn't add too much weight to it. So that's your case. Take a look. This is how it looks like, and it's simple. They all have the same design. Really, they will make your phone safe. Proper button cutouts, Bixby actually, twice the button disabled. So yeah, everything working cool. Proper opening, works fine, and you will get this stripe too, and where you can use it. So that means like I have here on my knife, in case your phone has this thing, old phone, you can use that thing. And by the way, all of these cases, they have this proper opening. You can attach that stripe here. Just it is anti-theft protection. This one is really heavy duty. This looks like some military grade phone. You see, damn, it looks super heavy, super cool. And there is a plastic film, I guess you can remove it, but you can see through the original phone color. It's not that heavy. Yeah, it feels slightly, I don't know, some UAG kind of case, really, but yeah, it fits fine with the tempered glasses, no problem with that. This is the same case for the OnePlus 6 Lite, and they're again good. I mean, I'm going to use that on my OnePlus 6 because I'm dropping my phone a lot of time. I don't want to break them. And yeah, you have all the proper opening. I forgot to show you there also. You can easily take your S Pen out. Should not be having a problem. So this is how the case looks like. So this is the plastic. You can take from here, and one is on the inside, so you can also take it from the inside. Then after that you can really see clear through to the phone. So this is again a little bit of heavy, but you can't do anything because device is already very heavy. So if you have bought the Note, so that means you are used to having big phones. So yeah, this again stylus is fine. This S Pen coming properly out. So last case, I guess this is the, and also you're getting a stripe with all the cases. This one I don't know about whether it is drop proof or not. I need to check with them because this time they haven't written here, but I'm hoping it should be drop proof because all of their cases are either semi drop proof case, that means up to 5 feet height they can take, or if it is like completely rugged cases, so they can take up to 10 feet drop. So it's like your standard phone case you're getting, but you can actually completely see through the phone case. So there it is, guys. This is your ring case for Galaxy Note 9. Do check out the old drop test in case you're worried like your phone is going to safe or not. And also these all cases are compared with the Tempered Glass that I'm using. So those are all the cases. You can give it a try. And this one already I have shown you in the past. How does it look like on the OnePlus 6? So do check out the old drop test. So that's the Galaxy Note 9 Ring official cases. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.